Hi guys, this is Jerry. In this video, I want to show you a quick and cost-effective way to connect your Android Auto wirelessly to your Nissan Navara Ute and also your Mitsubishi Triton Ute. It is all enabled using this little Binize device. I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description for you to purchase this device. For pricing wise, it will only cost you around 40 to 50 Australian or New Zealand dollars before the discount. Remember to use my promo code to get minimum 10% discount on this device. You will receive a package like this, but you don't need most of the things. You get owner's manual you can read through. After that, you just need to plug this device into the USB cord over here, and then you will see the light flashing. Give it a few seconds, something will show on the screen. And just like that, connection instruction. Now, all we need to do is to grab your Android smartphone. Make sure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is all switched on. Another thing, additionally, just try to disconnect your phone against the vehicle Bluetooth, which in this case is called My Car. I'll just unpair it for now or delete the program first. And then all the way underneath, if we keep searching, we should be able to see connect to AIBT, something like that. And there we go, we have the AI box. Click over here, and you want to pair. You don't have to access to contacts and things because it connects to your Android Auto. You will see this device will restart now. The reason being, the default setting on this device is Apple CarPlay connection. It will restart, switch it to Android Auto, and then it will be reconnected again. You can see my phone flashes for something, and then it will show on the screen, just like that. Wireless connection is all established. On your owner's manual, you'll find a little bit more information about how to use this particular button. This button, if you press and hold for 5 seconds, the light will disappear, so you do not have a light indicator anymore. Next, if you press and hold this button for more than 10 seconds, it will delete all the phones that's been restored, so that means it will be ready for another connection. Next, if you are switching or disconnecting your phone, which is on wireless Android Auto, let's say you have 200 phones between you and your partner, you just need to click once to disconnect this device and reconnect to the other one. It depends on your connections. If there is only one phone in the memory, click once, it will disconnect, just like that. So simple and so easy to use. Alright, if you want to get your Nissan Navara or the Mitsubishi Triton or even other Mitsubishi vehicles full and wireless Android Auto connection, this is definitely the device I would recommend. If you want to purchase this one, remember to use my affiliated link down in the description and use my promo code to get minimum 10% discount. Alright, thanks for watching, hope that helps. See you next time.